know how this night ride video is going to come out, but we'll see how we go. Okay, here we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Doing a bit of night riding. I'm gonna meet up with Linz. So I tried to do this video last weekend and had too many distractions. Look at this fool. Let's go, Linz. What do you got for me, bro? Oh, come on! Oh! Woo! What the fuck was I saying? So hopefully I can get this video out about the 5 things I don't like about the Bobber. Alright, here we go. Fuck is this guy? Let's go. Hopefully the wind is not too bad. Alright, this will be the test. We're going to go down to M5. 100k speed limit. Let's see how this goes. Oh, fuck. Hundred Ks. $120. Woo! Love this shit. I don't know how this night ride video is going to come out, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, so the 5 things I don't like about this bike. Number 1, it's a bit of a small issue, but the headlight. It's a damn halogen light, man. Halogen glow. I saw an LED, light, an Amazon for like $9. So I'm thinking to myself, if something that cheap should have come standard from India. You know, it's kind of disappointing, but I will be replacing it. And my point is, I shouldn't have to replace it, to be honest. Like, it's 2019. I know I bought this last year, but you know, it's a modern bike and it should have came stock from the factory. Number 2 is the lean cancel for the blinker, for the indicators. You know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I think it just depends on how far you lean. I'm not sure. I think you pretty much have to lean like at a certain angle. Because to own a Iron 883, yeah, that works fine with that bike. didn't matter how far I went, it would always cancel after I've come up from the turn. Alright, number 3. You can't rush gear 6. Gear 6, when you're riding fast, you can't, it doesn't engage. I'm not sure why. I'll end up crunching the gears. So I brought it up with Indian when I got my first service, and they just told me that I had to take my time, and the gearbox didn't want to be rushed. Yeah, I don't know what to say. You either believe them or you don't. But yeah, let me know in the comments if your Boba does the same thing. I've pretty much seen every video of this bike on YouTube. And no one has ever raised it, so maybe it's just me, I'm not sure. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Let's get into number 4. I don't know about you guys, but in Australia there's only one Indian dealer in the Sydney metro area, which is you know, frustrating. The only reason why I think that it's an issue is because if I have a bad experience with this dealer, like a warranty issue, I have no choice. I pretty much have to go to them anyway. Or, I mean, I can take it to an independent mechanic, but if I'm dealing with a warranty issue, then I pretty much have no choice. Yeah, there's another Indian dealer just outside of Sydney, but it's kind of far. Number 5 is the aftermarket options for this bike. So I have to rely on the aftermarket options online, which is a bit frustrating.
I don't look at this too much. I just concentrate on. That's annoying. I have to actually look down, but look there. No, it's stuck. I think put it bad like this is speed limit. That's fine there, but it's still kilometers per hour, like a number. Move down here smaller or something and put not area.
What was I saying? Yeah, the aftermarket options. I mean, I'm not a big modding guy. If you got a Harley compared to an Indian, you just have more options in the aftermarket sort of universe. With Indian, you're very limited. I don't know if that's a deal breaker for any of you guys, but it's not for me, obviously, because I bought the bike. Because Harley's been around for a long time, it's only natural, I guess, that they have more aftermarket options. But yeah, that's the it's pretty much the 5 things I don't like about this Boba. Batteries. Fuck, I just had a mad feed. I think this is a good speed to vlog at, motovlog. 80 k's an hour. Not too windy. So I'm thinking of getting the ape hangers on this bike. I haven't seen one video on YouTube that with a bolla that has a with apes on it. There was one that popped up the other day. It was in a matte black. It was nice actually. I got a dead cat on my mics and the fur is just going in my mouth. Shit, I kind of feel weird talking to myself. Damn. Oh, can people hear me when I talk into something? Anyway, I'm gonna be home soon, so if you watch to the end, type purple monkey in the comments. Purple monkey. Nice one. See you.